Hey guys, so today we're going right in with the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette. It has been my favorite lately. I love all of the matte shades in it. So first I'm going into Tempted, and I am using, let us see. Okay, so this is the MSQ brushes, so none of them are labeled. They're really nice, they're soft, I'll leave a link below, but they are not individually labeled. Anyways, this is a great matte crease color, slightly darker than my skin tone, can really be built up, a bit cool toned, I would say. And again, just using sort of a flat but also fluffy brush to put that in the crease and blend it out. And just continuing to add till I get, you know, kind of the color that I'm going for and enough pigment that I'm happy with. All right, looking good. Okay, so once I have that, I'm going into a more flat shader brush, and I'm going to take that same color, which is Tempted, and I'm going to put that along the lower lash line and really just buff that in. So just to give some definition on the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going into Instinct, which is kind of like a mauve-y, slightly darker color. And I'm just putting that on like the outer third of the lid, maybe half, and then putting that on the outer portion all the way up to the crease, and then just sort of blending that in. And that is the Deluxe brush from Younique. Okay, so now I'm going into one of the luminizers. They're like Younique highlights. So this one is Benevolent. It's a really pretty like golden pearl color, and I'm using that as my lid color. And I'm also using that on a Makeup Geek small pencil brush as my inner corner highlight. And then I decide, you know what, we're gonna keep highlighting. So I go down the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose. This really does have like a really nice shine to it. And then I get a slightly larger, like fluffy brush. I probably should have gotten something even bigger than this, but I'm still learning the ways of the cheekbone highlight, and I wasn't sure how much I wanted. So anyway, so putting it above my brow bone a little bit, and then of course putting it on my upper cheekbones. And yeah, this color is just really gorgeous. It's very pretty, it's shiny, it's not, I don't know, it's not like chunky or anything. And then my Cupid's bow as well. I think I might have highlighted a little much on the tip of the nose, but what are you going to do? Okay, so now I'm going in with, this is a Wet n Wild brown waterproof eyeliner. So I'm going in and just doing a very simple line along my lash line. Then I'm curling my lashes, and I never show my mascara application because it's not that impressive and I have pretty crappy lashes. Okay, so now I'm going in with one of the NYX Matte Liquid Lipstick Lingeries. It's a long name, but they have gorgeous matte colors. So this is the color Bedtime Flirt, which is just like a really nice nude peachy pink, and I've really been liking the formula on these. I feel like they are pretty long lasting. They are a bit, like a teensy bit drying, but I haven't found a matte liquid lipstick that isn't at all. So anyways, I really like this formula. I feel like it withstands like eating and just the passage of time. It does a good job, and the colors are really beautiful. So this is one of my favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and make any requests that you may have. Thanks.